This is an unboxing of a Vevor 300 watt 5-blade wind turbine. When you open the box, on top you have this handy sheet which gives you the basics for everything. It comes with a small instruction booklet. The writing in it is extremely small, so if you don't have fantastic eyesight, have a ruler handy. We have 5 nylon blades. Lifting up the styrofoam, we have the power converter. It comes in as a 3-phase into here. The wiring order is unimportant because it's a 3-phase generator. Then you have 2 wires out, which are the DC, and this is a low speed, it says low speed boost, and this is a maximum power point tracking system. I don't know if it prevents the battery from charging if the battery's low or not. If it does, we'll have to bypass some of this. Inside the box, we have the generator with the hub. Here's the hub that goes on for the 5 blades. We have a set of tools and screws. And that is about it. It's got a nice clean design to it. It's all metal, no plastic, except for the blades, the hub. And as I put this together, as I build it, I will let you know how it all comes together. I'll demonstrate that as we move along. Dysfunctional Vet out.